making burgers.
Which one?
Vegan burgers.
Excellent. Does it say vegan on there?
Yup. Suitable for vegans.
Oh yeah, there it is. Great.
And we put mushrooms in. And I fry them first. Now. Have to wait until it's hot.
How do you know when it's hot?
Well, when you can feel it. Or if you can still touch it, it's not hot enough to fry.
Okay. So do you just throw them in without any oil?
I don't use oil for the mushrooms. I use oil for the burgers later.
Okay. What kind of oil do you use?
Coconut oil today.
Good stuff. What else do you use if you're not using coconut?
Rapeseed oil. Wait, my glasses are sliding. Rapeseed oil.
Okay.
Because that's the only oil I have. But you can use any oil. Maybe not olive oil, because that smokes easy.
Yeah, okay.
You can use oil for the mushrooms too, but I don't want to. Only if they stick. And now we cut pickles.
Slice them.
Yup. And also jalapenos. I put it all out, so when the burgers are ready, then I don't have to do it then, because then, you know, they're not hot anymore. And 2 pickles.
They look tasty.
You want one?
Not right now.
And you like them very thin, right?
Yeah, thin.
And I think I have to turn the mushrooms. Hear it?
Yep, it's cooking. Sizzling.
I put a bit of smoking salt on it. Gives it a...
What is smoking salt?
It's salt that's smoked with hickory smoke. And that makes it taste like bacon. And now we keep slicing pickles. I see better here, I have to do it here. One for each burger. And mayonnaise, I made that, vegan mayonnaise. It's soy milk, balsamico vinegar, and rapeseed oil, and you put that all in the Vitamix, and then you get mayonnaise. And mustard. Classic yellow.
It's Irish.
I don't eat mustard, so I don't put that in mine. And I bought what we normally don't buy because it's very expensive, vegan cheese for the burger. Yeah. Doesn't taste very strong, and that's why I don't think it's really necessary. But I bought it because I love you.
I love you too.
See, when they're hot, they get a bit juicy. So you don't need oil.
Oh yeah.
Bit here, maybe.
So is that water coming out of the mushrooms?
Yes. Just a bit, so that they are not raw in the burger. Because you should never eat raw mushrooms.
Ever?
No. You should
Really?
never eat raw mushrooms. I mean, uncooked.
Really?
Yep.
I like uncooked mushrooms.
But you should eat them.
What's wrong with them?
Well, they could be poisonous. Not poisonous, but toxic.
Oh, because they're not prepared?
Cooked. Right. It's like raw meat. You know, you can eat it, but you could also die.
Mm-hmm.
True story. Michael Greger said that. You want them more cooked, or is that enough cooked? Or do you want it more? Or we can put it back
That's
to the
fine.
meat later. So I take them out and put them on a plate. And turn it down a little bit. And use coconut oil. Coconut oil is good for high heat because it doesn't start smoking like olive oil. So you can really fry on high temperature, which you couldn't do with olive oil. And it doesn't smoke. It smokes at some point, not at a higher point. And a trick is when you put the salt that you use in the hot oil, because then everything tastes evenly salty. And now the burgers. Two outrageously succulent vegetarian quarter-pound burgers.
Frozen.
Frozen. We bought it at Super Value for, I don't know. Do you remember? Like, I think $3.99 or something
Yeah,
like
$4.
that. I think some close to that. Maybe a little bit less. Maybe $3.79 or so.
So $2 each.
Yeah. And then you cook them for, I don't know, I never measure. Like,
You go by colour?
I go by, I don't know what I go by. The first time, like, I think I wait maybe 2 minutes. And then I have a look. You think we should look?
Flip them.
And I always put extra pepper because I think they are not very spicy.
Right.
don't have to use extra spices, but we do. And maybe on the other side too. And then, that away. Oh, some salad. We are using baby spinach and baby kale.
I didn't know you could get baby kale.
Yep. See? And we use monsters. Like monsters. At least that's what I think. Do you think we can put it in the toaster?
If it fits. We just got a new toaster, so it can handle bagels and crumpets and muffins.
That doesn't fit though.
But it doesn't take hamburger buns.
Maybe.
I wouldn't. Was it easy enough?
Yeah. It just fits, like it really just
Can you split them in half and put them in as half each?
Yeah, for like a minute or so.
Sure.
Flip.
Okay.
I turn up the on high on 5.5 or 6. I don't know what that is. It's a new oven and it works half, so I don't know. I think it says 6 out of 6.
More cracked pepper.
More.
No salt.
Salt is in the oil.
Okay.
And I turn it on the lowest, which is 1, and see what happens. Oh, and next time we flip is the last time we flip, and then I put a slice of cheese on the top so it melts already.
Nice, like New York style.
Yeah, that's where I learned it. On the street.
Looks good.
Do you want to go full crazy and do a whole piece, or can we share a piece?
Whole piece.
Whole piece, okay. Party hard tonight.
Mm-hmm.
See, it's already melting. The cheese is made from coconut oil, no soy, and no nuts. It's nut free and soy free. It's coconut oil based, and
Really?
it doesn't really taste like anything. But you know, it has the that's good. It has the looks. It's warm but not hot, crunchy but not hard. Want to touch it?
Ooh, it's sort of crispy.
All right. That's yours. Do you want ketchup on it too? We have ketchup.
Yep. The whole shebang.
Alright. So mayonnaise too or not?
Sure.
And then the salad. Maybe not that part. a lot. And then the meat. And I turn it off. And then the mustard. Alright. Mustard. Ketchup. And onion. And pickles. And jalapenos. Voila!
It's pretty serious.
I put it on your plate.
Mm-hmm.
And then enjoy. And now mine.
Alright, I'll film you making yours.
No, I want to make mine alone.
Alright.
No, you can film it, but really you should eat it. It's not that warm.
Well, then I have to start talking.
It looks like on the photo.
Could you get this right? So I'll probably hold this thing up.
That's alright. If we move this and that, then it's good.
Alright, so I'm gonna start eating as soon as Dominique's is ready. This is what it looks like. It's pretty good. It's called a quarter pounder. I'm sure it weighs a quarter pound, but it's not a quarter pound of meat. It's a quarter pound of vegetables. I think grains and things.
That's soy.
Soy. Okay.
Textured. Rehydrated textured soy protein.
Okay. I hope you can see the layers involved here. I have to hold on till Dominique is done and then we can eat together. But yeah, I hope you can see that detail because it's a real burger. And I don't know if you've been paying attention, but I've been doing burger posts week to week on my Facebook, John Green on Facebook. And yeah, I've been posting these burgers because we've been having different varieties from different companies and trying them all out ourselves. We don't always add cheese, but we always put some salad, ketchup and mustard and onions and things like that in there. But today it's special that we have the vegan cheese. Normally vegan cheese isn't anything too special. It depends what you eat it with or how you eat it. So this should be pretty good. The brand is Linda McCartney's. So Linda McCartney is Paul McCartney's wife or former wife and the McCartney family. It's a little expensive, of course, because it's junk food. Vegan junk food is always more expensive. And yeah, so it's like $4 or €4 for 2 patties. So that's $2 each just for the patties, which is kind of expensive. But we only have burgers once a week at maximum.
Forgot the mushrooms!
Oh, Lord Jesus. It's fine. We'll add some mushrooms. Forgot all about them. It's not normal to put mushrooms on burgers, but we like it because we want to have as many vegetables as possible.
Cut that out.
Do you want mushrooms on yours?
Yes, but take as many as you want.
Alright, one more.
That good?
Very good.
Is that good? That?
A little slightly up. Just slightly. Yeah, that'll be it. That'll be perfect. So, cheers to the burger. I don't know, let's cheers the burgers. This will probably make some people angry. Cheers. I'll give it a go now. Mm.